Yo, what's up guys? So today I have the mini Moto over here, if you lot to see. I've changed the rims on it, as you can probably tell. Sorry about the wind noise, it's a little bit windy out here. I managed to do both the rims in the end. I did pre-record this video, but I had the right settings on, so I've had to redo it. And I've managed to change both the rims to the black ones, as you can probably tell from the look of those. Oh wait, nah, it's not focusing very good. There we go. Look at that. So, yeah, I've done those, and this little mini Moto is now good to go. It's going to be a nice little project, I reckon. If you want to help support this project, all you have to do is just help with stickers and all that. Just buy stickers from the channel, which you can do by emailing me. She looks quite nice, I reckon, especially that blaster exhaust on the back. I'll add a short video of me putting these rims on halfway through this video or something, because I thought that was cool and I made a little edit out of it, and I might take some photos of this bike and put them on Instagram as well. So I just need to make this quick video to show you lot what she's looking like now with these black rims on it. It's looking amazing. What do you think? Comment down below what you think. There'll be another video out this Sunday, so keep an eye out for that as well. So, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this video.